Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The last time I started to develop cats, and I'm gonna continue to paint my series. Let's get started. This cat will have a slightly different pose, and I'm gonna start with the eyes first because you cannot cover the first layer of color with the second one, particularly after the painting is dried. She has blue eyes and gray hair. I'm still using the same small brush to paint the entire cat in this painting. I waited a little while for the eyes to dry a little bit before I add some blue color. And then the whiskers. For the forehead, I filled my brush with lots of diluted ink and paint the ears and forehead at the same time. Now I'm taking some more gray color to paint the face. You have to paint it relatively fast to add the second layers while the first layer is still wet. Otherwise, when it is dry, you'll see the watermark from the first layer. And now I'm painting the forelegs. Now I'm adding stripes onto the cat's face. When you're doing this process, you have to make sure that the first layer is semi-dry so that it blends well with the first layer, yet you can see the patterns clearly. And now I'm painting some Phalaenopsis orchids in green color on this painting to go with the gray color cat. Orchids are actually safe for the cats. That's why it makes sense in this painting. Now I'm using a large brush to paint the leaves. I paint this with green color instead of ink because I just think that ink color may be just too overpowering, and I'm gonna need a pot to connect to two elements anyway, so this is what I've come up with. And I'm adding a couple of fallen down orchids to finish this composition. If you enjoy this type of demonstration, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any updates. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.